Here is 5 smart ways to do it without risking the deal. Builders incentive. Builders are offering $10,000 to $20,000 towards closing costs or rate buy down on inventory home. That's real money back in your pocket. Negotiate seller's credit. On resale home, I help buyers negotiate up to 3% in seller paid closing costs worth thousands. Inspection strategy. Found issues during inspection. I negotiate repairs, credits, so you walk away with more flexibility and more money. Leverage timing and inventory opportunities. Knowing when builders drop prices or offer limited time deals can save you thousands without compromising location. Work with a realtor who knows how to save you thousands. I study the comps, time your offer, structure your deal, and connect you with reliable lenders who close on time and help minimize fees. I am Esther Anderson, your trusted real estate advisor in Frisco and the surrounding areas. Let's buy smart and save strong. See you in my next video. Bye for now.